In this video, I'll show you how to create variation listings on eBay. This is perfect if you want to offer different versions of a product, like color or size. First, log into your eBay account and go to My eBay, then Selling, and click on Listings. Start a new listing or edit an existing one. Enter a clear and accurate title for your item and set the correct condition: new, refurbished, or used. Next, select a category that supports variations such as clothing, shoes, or accessories. Scroll to the pricing section and set your listing to buy it now for immediate purchase. Now go to the variation section and click edit. Choose your variation types like size, color, or a custom option. Add all available choices. For example, red, blue, and green, and upload photos for each variation so buyers know what they're selecting. Finally, enter the quantity, price, and SKU for each variation. Save your changes, complete the rest of your listing details, and click List It. And that's it. You've successfully created a variation listing on eBay, making it easier to cater to different customer needs and boost your sales.